you saw my last video, you'll know that it was a what's in my hospital bag video, and that was for me and my partner. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what is in my hospital bag for the baby. So this is the bag that I'm going to use for the baby's things. It's actually not mine, it's a duffel bag that belongs to Spuggy. I think he actually got it from his parents, but it fits everything perfectly. So I figured I would use it just out of ease. So yeah, let's jump right into it and let me show you everything that I'm taking with us for the baby. So I'm just going to pull things out as they are in the bag, and what I'll do is I'll maybe move over this way so that here I'll put close-up shots of everything that is in the bag. First thing I pull out is this, which is a little Ziploc bag with all of the toiletries that I'm bringing for the baby. So in here I just have a mini Johnson's baby powder. I did pack miniatures because I'm hoping that we're not going to be in there for that long. And I didn't know what we needed, so I just packed miniatures for the baby. So I've got Johnson's baby powder, I have Johnson's baby oil, I have Johnson's baby shampoo, I have a pair of nail scissors because a lot of people said that it was a good idea to bring them because their babies were born with sharp nails, so I have these. I also brought a dummy, a pacifier, a dodie, whatever you want to call them. I brought one of these. I'm really hoping to not have to use them because I don't personally want to use one, but I know that desperate times calls for desperate measures, so I have brought one just in case. I also brought a little pair of baby nail clippers just in case. And then I have a miniature Sudocrem and a miniature Vaseline. I don't imagine the baby will be born with nappy rash, but you never know what it might come in handy for, so I did pack 2 miniatures of these. So the next thing that is packed for the baby is just this grey cellular blanket. I don't know whether we'll swaddle him in this or whether this will go around him while he's in the crib next to me, or I'm not 100% sure. I'm new at this, so yeah, I thought I would bring a cellular blanket with me. We also brought a comforter. This one I actually got from my colleagues at work. They bought it for me for my baby shower, and it's so cute. And it has a little rattle inside, and we have two more here, if you can see. We have actually been keeping these in the bed with us so that they have our scent on them, to hopefully get him A, used to our scent, and B, I'm hoping it'll soothe him. I don't know. My stepsister actually suggested sleeping with them beforehand, so Courtney, I took your advice. So everything else is been put into Ziploc bags, which sounds extra, but I was thinking that if I went in for an emergency C-section, or if something goes wrong, or if I'm just not capable of getting in and out of bed as easily as I'd like to be, or if Spuggy's in charge of dressing him for the first time, I want him to know where everything is. So I have his first outfit in this bag here, and it does have, in each of these bags there is a newborn nappy, there is a vest, and there is a sleep suit, like a long sleeved footed suit. This particular one is from Jojo Mama Bebe. I picked this up with a voucher that I got from my work friend Jenny. This one here, which is a larger first outfit, so this is newborn size, and then this is sized 0 to 3 months, I believe, just in case he comes out a little bit bigger. At least we have an outfit all prepared for him. Again, there's a nappy, a vest, and a long sleeve sleep suit. This one also has a matching hat, and this is actually the set that came with this comforter from my work friend. And this is his coming home outfit here. Again, it has a vest, the sleep suit, this one again is from Jojo Mama Bebe. It's also got a little hat and a little pair of mittens because he is being born at the beginning of the year. It is still winter, so I wanted him to be nice and toasty when he comes home. And then I also brought along some spares. So there is a spare first size, like newborn outfit. There is a spare 0 to 3 months. There's some socks, some mittens, some extra hats, that kind of thing. Just in case there is any poo explosions or we're in there longer than we think. At least then we have some extra outfits for him. The next thing I'm taking with me is a swaddle blanket. I actually got this one from, I believe it was B&M's. And I really like it. It's got little blue teddy bears on it, and my sister Cassia and my niece call him Bear. That's their little nickname for him, so when I saw this I had to pick it up. It's the cutest thing. I don't know if swaddling is something that he's gonna like, but I want to give it a shot and see how it goes, so I'm taking that with me. I'm also taking this with me, which I think actually is a little bit big, and I will need to look into getting a newborn size one because this is 0 to 3 months. But this is just like a little snowsuit. It is approved to be in the car seat, which I know is really important, that it's not too chunky for the car seat. So this is approved for putting babies in the car seat. I just think I'm going to need to get a newborn one as opposed to a 0 to 3 months one, but that was just from Primark. I then brought some, okay, I also packed 3 muslin squares. I imagine these are for spit. I could use them for swaddling, I can use them for wiping up spit, milk, I don't know, I could use them to cover up when people come in. People tell me that these are the most useful things in the world, so I did just bring 3, but I imagine that will be enough. I then have this blanket, which is a big fleecy blanket, and I imagine this is the blanket that we'll throw over him in the car seat on the way home. Obviously the car seat is something that we're taking with us to the hospital, but that's not in the bag, that will be in the car. But yeah. And lastly, for baby's hospital bag is a packet of nappies. So we have Pampers nappies, we have Asda's own nappies, or Angels, Little Angels. We have Tesco's nappies and Lidl's nappies. So Davey, that works with me, or works in the same place as I do, he said that Lidl's nappies are really good, and my sister swears by Lidl's nappies. And my stepsister swears by Tesco's nappies, so we're not brand loyal when it comes to where we bought our nappies, but these were just a really small compact bag that we bought from Asda for the hospital bag. It's the only reason we're using these, but yeah, so I picked them up as well. So that is everything that I have packed in my baby's hospital bag. If there's anything that I've missed out that you think I should bring with me, or there's anything in here that you think I definitely won't use, please feel free to leave your suggestions and recommendations in the comments down below. I am more than happy to take people's advice on this one. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe using the button down below and press the little bell button so that you get a notification every time I upload. With me being off for a year, I am weekly vlogging every week that I am off on maternity leave to document my first year as a mum. So if you guys are interested in any of that kind of jazz, along with the beauty and lifestyle that I've had previously on my channel, then please don't forget to press those 2 buttons, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!